Hey, so you're in the market for a good grease gun? Let me show you a little bit about this Milwaukee grease gun that I purchased some good time ago. I've had really good success with it. The cool thing is that this is the Milwaukee product that really won me over. Reasons being is just, you know, all the Milwaukee products are definitely built in kind of a fashion to where they're just built heavy duty. So one thing that I wanted to tell you guys about what happened to this thing, I went to go fill it up, actually go grease my excavator up, and I left this actually on the tire of the excavator, and I actually, when I got on the excavator, I forgot that it was there, and I ran the thing over. It was imprinted into the ground, and I was just like, oh man, I can't believe I destroyed this Milwaukee grease gun. And sure enough, it didn't damage it at all. It actually ran really good. But let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you a little bit more into detail about what this gun can do. So what we have here is the grease gun. It's an M18. You have your battery that goes in and out. That's here. Charges really good. Doesn't matter what size you really use because it really doesn't use a lot. There is a adjustment for the flow of the grease that comes out here, and there's also for speed that comes out. So I keep it on a 1 because I don't want it to go too fast. And some, you know, if you want to go a little bit further, it'll actually shoot out pretty far with the number 2 as well. That's right here. There's also a light on it too. So if you're at night, you know, you want to kind of see it, you have that there. The actual cord itself, I put an aftermarket cord on it to so let me bring it in closer. I bought this aftermarket cord that's here just so I could lock onto my excavator. It makes life a little bit simpler when you're actually filling it up. I mean, actually greasing your grease points. But other than that, you know, you just take it out, you hold it in, and you hit the button. Comes right out. I don't go too fast on it. I keep it nice and slow. But other than that, you know, just really good product here. I'm definitely enjoying the Milwaukee products. I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews on the Milwaukee products, so stay tuned on that. Here you go, Milwaukee grease gun.